Hi, I'm Lexy Cap, owner and founder of Nannies and Housekeepers. Welcome to Lexy's Corner. Today's tip is how to write a resume that's going to help you land your dream job. Writing a resume for the private service industry is much different than the corporate world. The team at Nannies and Housekeepers has the desire to do everything possible to present you to potential families that will help you get the job of your dreams. Let's look at a few resumes, shall we? First and foremost, your qualifications. Don't be shy. Your resume is the first thing a family will see when they're looking at potentially interviewing you and then hopefully a potential job offer. List your qualifications. Make sure you have clear, concise notes of things you've done in the past that makes you a perfect fit for the job you're applying for. Then, list your child care experience. First, list the family name and the dates that you worked for this family. Underneath that, list the details of the job you performed and some of the duties that you did while on the job. Next, you want to highlight your education. Education, education, education. It's very, very important. Don't be shy. List your high school and college education, and also any special certificates that you've received along the way that will make you a viable candidate for that position. Then, list hobbies and interests. Families and potential employers want to know what you like to do while you're not working. It's very important that your choices reflect your character, and we want to make sure that we do everything to make it a win-win situation. The only deals in life that are great is if they're a win-win for everyone involved. That's today's tip from Lexy's Corner. Remember, your integrity is proven by your performance.